Cause we chippy dip, chip fuck, pitch, then skip, dippy dip. We not talk, we not do none of the lippy business, 50 bit.
So if you're a subscriber, wagwan. Welcome back to 4K Shella Energy, and in this update we have two topics I got touch upon. Yeah, the first topic is about Jeff Fullyauto latest single Chip. Yeah man, Jeff did well in this song and we have to touch upon it, you see me? Plus we also have Tentic and Kyodi got it in a lyrical battle. Yo, me don't know how it started, but just know say they might diss up each other brawling. Such a man, make we get right into the video. But first, remember, subscribe to 4K Shella Energy if you're new. Share up the video, like up the video, and please click the bell to be notified. You see me? Yeah man, so make we get right into it.
Hands man and a chip, when I write it up I saw. Yeah, some nigga skill, if you ever see what talk, he might travel with a blick, Pinelli parabellum, if you ever see.
So like I said before, if you're a subscriber, the song goes by the name of Chip, and it's recently released from Jeff Fullyauto. Yeah man, you can go check it out and run it up, you see me? Yeah man, so as I say, this song bring me back in the days when we used to go school. And concert used to keep, and you know I go on a concert and there's something, you see me? Yeah man, this song bad, me rate it, it have a flow, it have a vibes, and your vibes, as I say, it bring me back in the school days. Yo, best believe, if that song did come out back then when me da go to school, yo, the whole place would have turned upside down.
Wanna bend up, cause we chippy dip, chip fuck, pitch, then skip, dippy dip. We not talk, we not do none of the lippy.
Yo, Jeff Fullyauto did well on the music video, you see me? Yeah man, he did well on it. Big up Jeff Fullyauto same way. The entertainer, I do him own thing, you see me? And so far it a work for him. Big up to Jeff, as I say, the song bad. If you're a subscriber, if you not check it out, go and check it out, you see me? The music video seemed like it was shot at a school, well, obviously. And as I say, yo, Jeff Fullyauto outdone himself in this. He actually sound good. And Jeff Fullyauto is a type of artist where he put out good songs. You see me? He put out good songs where you can mix to and vibes to, you see me? Yeah man, the entertainment, I don't know if Jeff Fullyauto ever putting out a bad song where you know say the people would say, yo, it not sound good, you know? Jeff Fullyauto, he put out some good songs. But just know say this is one of them. You see me? Yesterday, me actually hear this song, and up till now, me still amazed it. So, it's a song where, you know, you can vibes to, as me say, you can relate to, it bring you back in the days when, you know, auditorium room, when party you keep a school, concert, and you know them time that the female would have behave bad, all the thing you need for that, just grab one of them and, you know. Alright, anyways, moving on. But big up yourself, Jeff Fullyauto, rate this song as me say. If you're a subscriber, please go check it out.
Kaya girl, give me a quick. The evidence they on it full of lipstick. Can't show you no man, no fi see me big.
No boy man, no boy no test man, no boy no show up them and dump them right now.
And me matter, brother, I know what me matter, but if you just tell the people him, brother, say a kyodi man means, brother, I'm afraid of kyodi.
Blood sacrifice, you me gonna baptize. Sweep on my life, never run from a guy. If I want in the water. Yo, I always left for shoot. Boy spread out on the ground. Him and him rat the tooth. Watch him eye, shock your fuck. Like him get electrocuted. Watch him foot, them two so.
Tentic and Kyodi a style up each other lyrically, you see me? Yeah man, me don't know how this start, me just know say the two entertainer them drop a song and them a style up each other. So Tentic drop his latest single that goes by the name of Monster, and Kyodi, as you can see, drop his latest single that goes by the name of Real Monster. And as I said, I don't know how this started, but I just know say the two entertainer them a drop song for each other. You see me? But at the end of the day, anywhere for a dancer, I would appreciate it because none now going at the moment. It seems like Byron Messiah run, or him not running just to take his time. You see me? I don't rush nobody, I wait because at the end of the day, and me see man say I never want the war to finish quick. So, I wait for hear what Byron Messiah go drop. You see me? Yeah, but anyways, Kyodi and Tentic I go at it. Lyrical.
Put the gas in the car. We are not the same, we a monster. Call up the spirit, them know what them answer.
Them two sub, hairstyle, how are you? Yeah. Every man I get it in all the entire crew. Mass over one face like we know want to catch a flu. Feel it, then nobody.
If you're a subscriber, please let me know which song I lead so far. Even though it just started, still, don't let me know which song I'm rather. Tentic, Monster, or Kyodi, Real Monster. Make me know which song I rate the most. So far in the clash. And as I say, we been away upon a clash. We get piece of a clash between Byron Messiah and TJ. Yeah, TJ. But right now, Byron Messiah, we are waiting for me to know where Byron Messiah gone. But we not rush the clash. Yeah, we are waiting to give Byron Messiah his own time. And hopefully, him drop something so we can meds and, compare. But anyways, if you're a subscriber, Tentic made a post to his IG page. I'm going to read what he say. And please do let me know when it's
Travel with me on my back, but my ancestors, them the two take the chat. You to your monster, worse than cancer.
So the post says, how the BBC this? Tell the confused boy say me have bigger fish to fry. Boring yo F. Hashtag Gualas or whatever that is. Hashtag monster. So Tentic wrote that on the post that is on his IG page of someone's reviewing Kyodi's latest single, as I said, Real Monster. And viewer subscriber, the person has said what kind of song that Kyodi are followed with, or what kind of song that he want to bring to Sting. Yeah man, the person basically said him not rate the songs don't sound good, it lame, and the person basically say Tentic song sound way better than Kyodi. And if you want the proof, you can go over on Tentic page and you will see it. The person review the song and him don't like it. The person downgrade the song and I say Kyodi cannot bring that as Sting. But anyways, if you're a subscriber, me need to hear from Ono. So please, as I said before, let me know when you think about this clash between Tentic and Kyodi. Yeah, which song Ono rather? Real Monster or Monster? Yeah man, make me know what you think in the comment section. Big up on yourself, and please remember subscribe to the channel if you're new. Let's grow this to 2,000. Big up on yourself, like up the video, share it up, and as always, 4K Shella Energy. Catch you now in our next
chip, talk, pitch, then skip, dip, dip. We not talk when I do none of the little business, 50